બોલના હે ખરેખર પોયમ જ છે.
Yes.
ચલો
Correct.
એનીવેઝ ઓકે હા અરમાન યોર હેર સ્ટાઇલ ઇઝ સુપર્બ एक्सीलेंट बेटर देन मी हेयर स्टाइल से याद है मुझे बाल कटवाने जाना है चलो आज का हो जाए अपॉइंटमेंट today we will keep English on the hold we will discuss one or two grammar topics basic topics is it okay boys if you want to turn on the camera we can do this करना है ये
Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay,
Yes,
sir. No
sir.
problem.
पक्का
पक्का पक्का
Pakka.
काका
पक्का not
Pakka.
पक्का पक्का.
I thought you said kaka. Anyways, uh, all the girls, sorry, all the boys, turn on the camera. Even I have turned on. एक गयू. Sorry, my mobile fell down. Okay, everyone turn on the camera. Come on. सबको कैमरा ऑन करना है. Guys, otherwise I will cancel this type of lecture.
You
Huh?
can see my camera is clear.
I can see everyone's camera, and your camera is so clear that I can see Hando, glass. Sorry, that was just a joke. No issues. सबके कैमरा ऑन नहीं तो ये लेक्चर मैं कभी नहीं रखूंगा. I will cancel camera lecture for 1 year. So everyone, come on, within a count of 5, everyone will turn on the camera. 1, 2. एक का भी कैमरा ऑफ रहेगा तो मैं कट कर दूंगा. 2, 3,
Yes, sir.
4 and 5. मैं कट कर रहा हूं कॉल बिकॉज सैफ का कैमरा ऑफ है और किसका ऑफ है रागिब का ऑन है only Saif has kept camera off. Saif Dasadia Mohammed Saif.
Yes, sir.
I said that if your camera is off, I will cut the call. I will never keep online camera lectures.
Sir, just a minute. I have the. Uh, I
कुछ
going
प्रॉब्लम है तो बेटा
to,
बोलना चाहिए ना माइक में.
but I not here. That's why.
You are
I go to bring milk. That's why.
but you should speak बेटा. At least you should say, sir, within a minute I will turn it on. Don't worry. ऐसा आंसर नहीं दोगे बेटा सर को तो बुरा नहीं लगेगा. No problem. चलो. Anyways, let's not concentrate on whatever happened. Let's chat with today's lecture, grammar. Now, grammar is all about how do we speak, how do we make sentences in writing, how do we listen. Because if we listen properly, we will be able to speak properly. Listening is the first stage, then the speaking is there. Hassan, what happened? Why are you laughing so much, beta? It seems like your concentration is not here. Your sister is making you laugh?
Yes. Sir, sorry.
Okay,
Sir, sorry.
no problem. Now, in today's lecture, I am going to have one-to-one interaction, one-to-one talk with each and everyone. So be ready for answering my questions. You have to just answer my questions. We are not going to do bookish grammar. We are going to do speaking grammar. How perfect you speak. Let's spend our today's precious time in learning that. See, 2 or 3 instructions I want to give you while you are attending the lecture. जब आप lecture में होते हो, when you are attending the lecture. Sorry, my nose is, I think, it will sneeze very high. Because I have applied attar. Very strong. Okay. So, first thing during the lecture, you people do. What do you do? Sir, may I answer do? Sir, may I answer do? first thing you have to change, speak in English and speak very soft. जोर से नहीं. Sir, may I answer do? What is that? Excuse me, sir. Can I give the answer? This is the perfect way. So, first thing this. Second, whenever you want to speak, you should type the message. Sir, I want to answer. Please. Please is the requesting word. Otherwise, it seems like you are ordering me. Sir, I want to answer. Okay. This is the second thing which I don't like. Or you can say which I dislike. Third thing, which right now I told you, I don't like, I dislike. ये दोनों क्या है? Synonym है. Meaning same है, but अलग अलग word है. So I want you to use English in the different languages, in different way. Sir, can I speak? Sir, can I speak? तो boring है यार. Sir, do you want me to give the answer? Sir, can I give the answer? Sir, can I speak? Different languages use करो ना. Different sentences frame करो. अगर ये मैं ही रिपीट करूं, चलो, we are going to do English, we are going to do English, we are going to do English, कितना बोरिंग लगे. मैं हर बार अलग से स्टार्ट करता हूं. So what have we done in the previous lecture? Which lecture was there before this? Okay, in which paragraph we were? So starting should be different. This shows how much better English you know. And in our class, now, from today, there is a rule. You people will not speak even a single word in Hindi. If you will speak in Hindi for next 3 days, I will not answer you. Do you people accept? This is for your betterment, not for mine. If you accept, show me thumbs up in the camera. Hey, wo wali thumbs up nahi. Thumbs up, taste the thunder. Not that. Thumbs up. Shafiq, did you understand what am I trying to explain you, beta? If yes, then show me thumbs up. He may not be able to listen to me properly, I suppose. Aha, Arman, you're not taking snap in the Snapchat. Half face.
Yes, sir.
Just like Saf.
Yes, sir.
Now you're saying yes, sir, means you are not listening to me.
Sir, because network issue.
This is the common line. If your mood is not there, network issue. If you're sleeping, network issue. If you went out and cut the call, network issue. If you did not write because you are lazy, network issue. If you did not understand sir's English, network issue. And this shows कि आप लोग का level क्या है.
Sir, not issue.
हाँ, फरहान अली.
Not network issue. Sir, your voice is cutting.
हाँ, मेरा वॉइस अचानक से कट हो जाता है. अरे मुझे कुछ पता ही नहीं चलता. हाँ,
Student
You are
is sir, your voice is cutting.
hold on. Farhan Ali, hold on. So, as if you are elder than me. हाँ, मुझे आप लोग सर बोलते हो, ऐसे ही बनाऊं? As if I don't know anything. I verified twice my lectures. I have my extra cell phone to ask people down there whether my screen is clear, whether my voice is clear or not. And you people say my voice is not clear. I have double verified. हाँ?
Sir.
So, excuse me sir करके बुलाना है, नहीं तो अभी 3 दिन से आपको जवाब नहीं दूंगा. और हिंदी बिल्कुल नहीं आपका. If you can speak in English, you can.
Sir, can I give answer?
First of all, sit like a student. Otherwise, I will call your grandfather right now.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes. Sit properly, I said. Have you seen me sitting like that anywhere in the class? I could wear nightless if I want. Am I wearing? Don't know how to attend the classes? So let's start speaking. Let's speak with Muhammad Ali first. who is sitting with one finger on the head and one finger in the mouth.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Oh, Bappa. Muhammad Ali, I am wearing hands free. Can you see? Speak with very soft voice. Hey, Bhagwan. Now, today itself, I have to go to ENT doctor.
Sir. Oh.
There is only one sir. How can you speak sir, sir? और ये गुजराती टोन है. भाई, भाई. This is that tone. Sir, sir. Okay, Muhammad Ali. 3 questions to you. First of all, introduce yourselves in English. Minimum 4 lines, maximum 5 lines. Don't give one address. Eh? What is that? Cow? Is not the way to start.
My name is Muhammad Ali.
Why nahi?
I am old, 11 years.
You are old.
Sir, he got another birthday.
Muhammad Ali, you are making fun of yourself. Continue. Let others
Sir,
laugh and
my
learn.
father is Sohil. My mother, my sister name is Sakina.
आधार कार्ड बनाऊं सबका.
Sir.
सबसे पहले क्या बोलना है? I am going to introduce my family members now. नहीं तो ऐसा ही लगता है ना कि ये राशन का ये है, ये this is आधार कार्ड, this is पान कार्ड. Actually, it is not PAN card, it is PAN card. PAN तो?
Huh?
PAN card. Actually, we should call it PAN card. तो सब लोग ये PAN card, सब लोग पेन देते हैं. Yeah, people don't understand here. I went to bank.
Sir.
Then I said, wait. Then I said, this is my PAN card. Huh? PAN card yo. This is my PAN card. Even bankers don't understand. Okay, Muhammad Ali, second question to you. Tell me 5 good points about English lecture.
5.
Without stopping. What is
Sir, can I tell?
No,
Sir,
beta.
you have.
I will interact one by one. I told you, beta. First is with Muhammad Ali.
Sir, I do. Sir, you have.
Mute the mic, everyone, please. Yes, next with Saif. Where is he?
Yes, sir.
Here he is, yes. Okay. So, Saif, introduce yourselves.
Yes, sir. My name is Dasarya Muhammad Saif.
Where are you? I can see your nose, which I don't want to see. You have the study table, adjust your... now it is proper. Continue.
Yes, sir. My name is Dasarya Muhammad Saif. My home address is Sahara.
Directly,
Sir, yeah.
3 to 4 lines about yourselves. See, I will
Yes, sir,
introduce myself. My full name is Tarvani Rohan Chandrakant Bhai. I am a teacher of English. I teach English in 5th and 6th standard, and generally I teach English in the 2nd standard. And my hobby is to read the books, speak in English, and watch the movies. My second hobby is to, whenever I get free, I cook the food and I help my mother in household work. That is a great help to her. And I always spend my time with my friends in the weekends. Now, if I say my family members, I have my 5 family members at home: my brother, my elder brother, my grandmother, my father, and my mother, and me, myself. So, we are a very short and sweet family. This should be an introduction. Person should listen to you. Now, after you speak second line, we feel like we should remove earphones. Safe, second chance. Come on.
Yes, sir, can I say?
Go on.
Yes. My hobby is to read the book and to
Which book?
reading.
Cartoon.
No,
Then?
then I spend time with my brother and I my brother and we we both play with toys and much things. Then
Which toy? Free Fire toy.
no toys.
Sir,
I know everyone's detail, but still I'm asking. And Saif knows very well how I know his detail. Come on, Saif.
Yes,
Now tell me about what do you like in English subject? What do you dislike in English subject?
I
Online
like to
classes.
speak in English and English subject.
Great
I
stuff. Then
much try to speak English and I dislike that anyone spoke with.
anyone?
Spoke with anyone we I don't read. So in English, nothing is dislike.
No, you were trying to speak better something. I will help you out. Tell me. Tell me
So
in Hindi. I
nothing
will
is.
translate. I will translate in English.
सर कुछ है ही नहीं तो क्या करूँ?
Okay, good. Your last question is, which is your favorite food and why?
Sir, my favorite food is chicken. That's why, because I every day I eat chicken. That's why I have habit to eat chicken.
That's why your skin is so white. So I like the taste of the food, and I like that kind of taste, spicy taste. So I like that food. Simple. You should use different high-level words, right? Good. Okay. Next, I would like to talk to Arman. Where did he go? Arman, come back. Wherever you are. Arman. Okay. I should select
yes,
next
sir.
name.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
Arman is there. Okay, Arman, introduce yourselves. Oh, he left. I didn't ask so heavy question. Anyways, Hassan, introduce yourselves. Yeah, Hassan, enough.
Yes, yes, I come. Sorry, yes.
Don't come here.
My name, my name is Kapasi Hassan. I'm
Oily.
11,
Sorry. Continue. Continue.
I'm 11 years old. I studying in Mehdi English School.
Really?
School.
Okay.
Yes, really. And I'm studying in sixth,
Saif, how are
and
you?
I go to Bhavnagar.
Fine.
Okay. I hope you know. Yes. Continue, Hassan.
I live in Bhavnagar.
Hal. Good. Continue.
Yeah, my family. My family.
First you laugh. First you laugh. He's crying. Give him some water.
Now I introduce my family members. I have my father,
Where are
mother,
you?
sister.
You are.
I have.
Hassan. Hassan, enough, beta.
Sir, sorry. Now I introduce my family members.
Okay, let's talk to any other boy.
Sir, I'm introducing you. Now I control my laugh. Yes,
No, you
I
can't.
introduce my. What, sir?
See, you're still laughing.
Sorry. Sorry. My now I introduce my family members. I have mother, father, sister, and grandmother, and I.
Tell me
Sir,
something about your family members. Like, I mean, one or two
yes,
lines about family members.
yes. My mother teach in a
Teaches.
school. Yes, teaches in school. Then. So now, no words.
Huh, beta?
Sir, finish.
Sir, finish.
Means sir lines.
Okay. Now I'd like to talk to Shafiq.
Yes, sir.
Please introduce yourselves.
What, sir?
Please introduce yourself.
My name is Priyani Mohammed Shafiq. My sister name is Umera, and my mother name is Arfat Bhai, and my mother name is Fatima Ben.
You
And
have to first introduce, that means you have to say 3 to 4 lines about yourself first, beta.
okay,
What do you like? What do you eat? What do you do in full day?
yes,
3 to 4 lines.
sir. Okay. My name is Priyani Shafiq. Uh, my year old is 12 years.
I'm 12-year old. Okay.
My favorite surname is Rohan sir.
Then your hobby?
My hobby, not hobby.
No hobby. What do you do when you are very free, beta? That is your hobby. Every day.
Sir, I'm,
Playing, eating, cooking.
sir, I'm writing with tuition lesson, tuition homework.
No, no, but in your very free time, what do you do?
Uh, Cycling.
Yeah, okay, cycling is my hobby. Fine, thank you. Good answer. Okay. Nakwi Ragib Hassan,
Yes, sir.
who is staring at the camera from many minutes. Okay. Introduce yourselves.
Sir, my name is my name is Nakviragi Vasan. I am 11 years old.
Hoy nahi.
I didn't like drawing, and my hobby is to play cricket. And
Mm-hmm.
and we are 8 members in our family, and I have 2 brothers and 3 sisters, and uh, only this.
Okay. Good, short and sweet answer. That's all right. So, students, I taught you today how to speak properly in English, right? And yes, many are left. I'll give you the chance, don't worry. But one or two things, you have limited answers. Huh? You should see that what others are speaking. You should speak something different from it. When others are speaking, you should observe rather than laughing. And you should then speak something different. If one or two points are different from others, the listeners, the one who is listening to you, will be looking at you. If you are standing in the crowd, how will you be able, how will you be, observed by others? Either you are wearing different clothes, or your height is very tall, or you are very short, or you are very well known. Similarly, when you are speaking, you should think about different aspects. ये तो मैंने इंट्रोड्यूस किया ना कि अपना फैमिली का बोलना है तो ऐसे बोलना कि now about I'm going to talk about my family. So this is my trick. You should not take the same trick. You should speak something else. I like to spend time in this place. When I'm very sad, I go at this place and I sit. Or I fight with this person very much. I love this person very much. You should speak about different things. I was going to speak that I love my mother very much. She is my first friend, and then I keep all my other friends on the second significant position. So, when you are speaking, you should think that what different you can speak. That is how, when you are given the chance in assembly, you go, good morning, my name is this, today's thought is this and this, thank you. That's not assembly program. Luckily, when you were in the 5th standard, when I was your class teacher, you were not there in the school. Otherwise, I would have given you a chance to go to assembly, and I would have taught you how to stand there. Even you don't know how to walk. I'll show you. I cannot walk here. Don't expect me. When you are walking, this is not the way to walk. When you are walking, your hands should be straight here. You should walk, or your hands should be back. When you're sitting, imagine if sir sitting like this and teaching you. तो कितना गंदा लगे. Sir is sitting like this. Sometimes sir is sitting like this. Why you people are not sitting like that then? हाँ, मैं ऐसे बैठ के पढ़ाऊं. Boys, how are you? आती है ना हंसी. Same, I also feel like laughing when you people are sitting like this. Wearing ill-clad clothes. Sit properly. I'm not asking you to wear in-shirt and all the uniform. But whatever you're doing, you should be proper. You are recorded in the lectures, and that is kept on the YouTube, and you're sitting like anywhere. Okay, so remember these points which we discussed today about how to speak, when to speak during the lecture. Yes, one more thing. When any teacher enters in the class in the online lecture, good morning, sir, good morning, sir, good morning, sir, how are you, how are you? What is that? We feel like echo is coming from everywhere. Good morning, sir, good morning, sir, good morning, sir. From where it is coming? Keep the habit. Together you all will turn on the mic. Good morning, sir. Mute the mic. Some people speaks 2 times. क्योंकि उसको ऊपर रहना है. इसने बोला नहीं, आखिर में तो मैं ही बोलूंगा. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. It goes on, goes on. For 5 minutes we are wishing good morning to each other. Wow. So it is good that you are so much energized in the morning itself. You have so much energy. That energy, keep it in a proper place. None of you can speak English without fumbling. That's called fumbling. None of you. Why? You are paying the money in the English medium. You cannot learn English. Then for what you are coming? What do you think you are doing then in the English lectures? You complain your parents. सर का नंबर नहीं समझ में आ रहा, हिंदी में बोलो. क्यों? Instead of learning, you are complaining. Not many, few. If you don't understand, read it 2 times. If you don't understand, listen to my lectures 2 times. If possible, with ma'am's permission, I will send you one of my lectures in the afternoon shift. In the second, third standard, I send the lectures, which is totally recorded in English.
Sir, I listen that lecture every time.
You listen, oh, with your brother.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, Ragib, non-stop I'm speaking in English for 28 to 30 minutes, right?
Yes, sir. But sometimes I'm not with him,
So just
so
imagine. Okay. So anyways, this was my point. Try to improve your language when you are especially coming in the English lecture. Your mindset should be, for 30 to 45 minutes, I will not speak in any other language. I will not allow my sir to speak any other language. Rather than explaining you, for example, you don't know what is this. This is a cup. Now, if I'm explaining you in the story, there was a cup in my hand. Sir, what is cup? Now I can explain you in which we drink the tea. Still, if you don't understand, I can show you the pictures. But I want to stop using different languages. That will only happen if you coordinate with me. Okay, so for today, we will keep till here. I hope that in the next lecture, you will implement whatever you have learned. Have a nice day. Please take care of your health. Yes, sir.
bye,
What
sir.
happened?
Bye,
Goodbye.
sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye,
Bye,
sir.
sir. Bye.
Have a nice
Bye,
day.
sir. Bye.
Bye,
Bye.
sir.
Bye.
Have a nice day.